I'm right where I'm supposed to be, loving you and you loving me. Some days it seems unforeseen, but I trust the pull in me to write another song to sing, and sing glory to our King, the one to whom the birds do sing. And so why would I not join in? Why would I not join in? He's given us this life to live, so live it to the full I will. And I'm so glad that I can be living it with someone much like me. Two minds of a familiar kind, seeing good in everything we find. We are rolling down the beach like two tumbleweeds, two tumbleweeds. We go where the wind blows. Two tumbleweeds can't stop us from rolling like two tumbleweeds. Oh, 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 like two tumbleweeds. Oh, 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 we are two tumbleweeds. You told me to write my ideas down and said every single one we will do now. We'll never forget we were made to live life like the sweetest of birds do. We go where the wind blows. We were made to be all in. Oh, my companion, two tumbleweeds, two tumbleweeds. We go where the wind blows. Two tumbleweeds can't stop us from rolling like two tumbleweeds. Oh, 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 like two tumbleweeds. Oh, 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 we are two tumbleweeds.
Yesterday just isn't the same when I think about the crazy days we used to play outside and say, I wanna be like my dad, looking after my mother and everything that we had. And then the world spun around just for us to meet inside of this crazy town. And we wrote on pieces of paper that took us away, that made us wonder why we were so far away. 10 months wasn't 2 years. I don't know how I would have handled that, no. I know God has some strange ways of working things out, because it worked out and it's working out. Because you're here and I'm here, let's stay, let's play. Right after we engage, the wind from the east to the west, sunrise, the sunset's on us, rolling out the big nest. Rolling, rolling, tumbling, tumbling, rolling, rolling like two tumbleweeds, two tumbleweeds. We go where the wind blows. Two tumbleweeds can't stop us from rolling like two tumbleweeds. Oh, 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 like two tumbleweeds. Oh, 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 we are two tumbleweeds. Kia ora.
Welcome to our van.
Van Jam numero uno tuatahi. First 3 languages.
We call our jumba our van. We call
our van
jumba.
Jumba the hut or the house.
Very hot right now.
Quite warm,
We're
quite
going to keep
humid.
this quick. We just wanted to tell you about our song Two Tumbleweeds that you just listened to.
Yeah, we are storytellers, so we thought we'd tell the story to this.
Yeah.
There've been 2 significant things with this song, but what are you gonna say?
Is that all? Nah.
No.
I'm curious to know what you mean.
Okay, so the first one, two tumbleweeds, going where the wind blows and stuff. It's not like wishy-washy. Like it's an intentional wind.
Yeah.
That's blowing us in an intentional way.
Oh, even though the idea of tumbleweeds for me came from a little picture I had in my head of my brother when he was little. My older brother playing, like trying to catch the tumbleweeds on the beach, but he just could never catch them, and I feel a little bit like I mean, we've obviously caught each other, but we're quite, we're kind of just like, especially now,
What a catch.
we kind of just go where the next gig is for us, or where the next community that we want to go and spend some time in. So our kind of world has become a bit of a tumbleweed, which kind of just goes where the wind blows.
Intentional wind, though.
Intentional wind, where the intentional wind
And
blows.
the other thing is, we learnt that tumbleweeds, wherever they go, their purpose of like travelling or like blowing across to and fro on the beach is actually to drop seeds.
Oh, there you go.
Hey,
What is that metaphor for?
exactly. We'll let you work that one out.
There's no babies coming.
So I hope you enjoyed tumbleweeds. I hope you had a good Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Don't
Happy
think
Valentine's.
you have to be like with significant others. Like I'm all good on you guys for those of you who do. But like, yeah, you're never alone. There's always friends, always family, always God.
There's always love.
Yeah.
Yes.
And with that, bless you on this fine day. Get ready for the next one next month. And that'll be a surprise too. Cool.
Yeah.
Move your head, she whispered.
Can you press?
Give it a rock. Rock.